In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a barbell bicep curl with a pronated grip, and we're also going to be adding in an isometric contraction on the midway point of the lowering phase of the exercise. Now there's a lot to go through there, so let's go through it all one by one. Now firstly, I've got a pre-made barbell here in front of me. What you can do is you can use one of these pre-made barbells, or you can use one of the big Olympic bars in your gym. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this up with a nice straight back. Now you know your hands are in the right position because your feet are going to be hip width apart and your hands are just going to be outside of your quadriceps, so just outside of the thighs. From here, what I want you to do is I want you to bring your shoulders back, keep your elbows in, and you'll notice here I've got a palm down position when I'm doing this exercise. Now this is going to work my forearm extensors really hard. It's also going to make it hard for me to maintain a neutral grip at my wrist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press my hands into the bar, shoulders back, core braced, elbows in, and I'm going to flex the elbow to bring the bar up. I'm going to come halfway down. I'm going to hold this position for 2 to 3 seconds for my isometric contraction, and I'm going to lower the bar back down to my start position. So that pronated grip is a palms down grip. It's all the same cues as your usual bicep curl. However, you're keeping that palm down grip, coming halfway down, 2 to 3 second hold of your isometric contraction, and slowly back down. One more time from a side on view. So feet hip width apart, shoulders back, elbows in, core braced, flexing the elbow only, maintaining a nice neutral spine. Halfway down, 2 to 3 second hold for your isometric contraction, and slowly back down for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. That's how to do a pronated barbell bicep curl with an isometric contraction at the midway point of the lowering phase of the exercise.